翻嚟節目時間嗱，卡文啊，平時咧一大班人放假咧去 BBQ 都唔錯嘅。嗱、不過咧香港人去 BBQ 啦，食嚟食去都係啲雞翼啊，再唔係有腸仔咁。嗱，唔知歐洲人咧有冇啲新嘅選擇？
都有啊。咁喺歐洲咧，每年都有一個 BBQ 嘅烹飪大賽㗎。咁啲專業嘅廚師咧，要用炭爐去炮製出全餐嘅，由前菜啊、主菜啊、配菜咧，到甜品都係咁樣整出嚟㗎。嗱、炭爐咧同廚房嘅爐頭咧始終唔同啊嘛，咁火候好難控制㗎，所以咧好講技巧。
但係咧，我哋平時去燒嘢食咧，啲雞翼燒到唔燶，其實都已經好叻㗎啦。嗱、究竟大廚阿 Hans 咧，今次用咩材料，點樣炮製 BBQ 全餐呢？咁而家咧就由記者梁淑儀帶我哋揭開呢個謎底。
燒烤全餐包括前菜番茄沙律、焗薯同埋麵包。主菜有西冷扒、香腸同埋倉魚，配意大利青瓜同菇菌。咁仲有甜品焗蘋果。有大廚過招 ，BBQ 唔單止食得豐富啊，咁最緊要係食物唔會又燶又黑。呢日 Hans 同我嚟到中環近半山行人電梯嘅街市，呢度嘅菜檔呢好多嘢賣㗎，整西餐呢就啱晒啦。
Okay, this is zucchini.
Okay.
Zucchini, this is a very good vegetable for cooking. So we have two color, we have yellow one and we have the green one.
意大利青瓜有黃又有綠，買菇菌呢都要兩隻色，煮起嚟會靚啲。呢啲呢就係大廚嘅執着啦。
But after cooking, this will shrink a lot. So maybe we take one of this and one of brown color.
Hans 仲發現呢最啱用嚟 BBQ 嘅薯仔喎。
Oh, this is very nice. Yeah.
Why?
You can see it's very nice round and not too
Not too big.
not too big. And they are new.
More fresh.
Yeah.
薯仔要薄皮新鮮，咁而蘋果呢就要爽口多汁，蛇果就唔啱用啦。
Why not this one? Usually we use this one for salad.
Salad, yes, but they're too starchy, so that's probably not so good to cook for our purpose. They need to be a little bit more juicy and more firm. So I think this is a good choice.
呢度啊，連專賣番茄嘅檔口都有啊！我哋揀咗較硬身嘅北京番茄做沙律。呢度買唔到靚嘅西冷扒，咁所以 Hans 之前喺超級市場買咗。
我哋買埋魚就得啦。
魚 ，barbecue 魚。
倉魚好似幾靚喎，啱唔啱用呢？
If it's too thick, like this one would be a bit difficult on the barbecue, it takes quite long. If it's a bit flat, it's more easy to control.
I think this is okay. I like this fish actually.
Yeah, you like it? Okay, then we.
我哋去咗近近地嘅黃泥涌合道燒烤場，呢度有埋餐台，攞埋調味料出嚟可以開工啦。
喺咁多樣材料當中咧，我諗咧魚就首先要整下佢先係嘛？Heinz，咁我哋首先要醃下佢啦。Start the seasoning.
Okay, so we do the fish first. We marinate it so it can absorb a little bit the seasoning. So but first, put a little bit water, make sure it's clean.
沖下條魚，跟住喺內外撒鹽、黑胡椒，落埋香草，同埋橄欖油，就可以放返入冰箱備用。醃魚要時間啦，咁焗薯都一樣㗎，啲薯仔要加啲鹽，記住包錫紙嘅時候要加水。
And then inside the foil, the water will make some steam, so it's easier to cook. Otherwise, it's too dry, it's difficult to cook. And also the potato will dry out a lot more.
包錫紙留翻個手柄，咁咪唔怕辣親手咯。
So it's easy to.
Wow. Okay. I should learn from that. 薯仔咧就要最耐時間整嘅，所以先焗咗薯仔先。
Okay, so we put this here on the side.
跟住將意大利青瓜切片， 調味。今次咧加埋洋葱同埋黑胡椒。
We add a little bit water, and we also can add, because the zucchini is quite dry, and we also add a little bit white wine for additional flavoring. Okay.
Nice。
We back on, so
包錫紙嘅時候留意咧，唔好俾啲水分流走喎。如果唔係咧，就會變乾煎意大利青瓜噶啦。醃菇菌嘅方法都差唔多，加啲綠色嘅番茄咧就會色香味俱全啦。
我哋平時燒嘢食咧，最多識整香蕉啦，但係今次 Heinz 就教我哋用蘋果整啲甜品嘅喎。Heinz。
okay.
Sure.
Okay, so we make a special apple dessert, make also on the fire,
Okay.
and we cut out the inside with a core, and then we fill with a mixture of the raisins and the almonds, and add a little bit cinnamon, sugar, with wine or olive oil to make it moist and juicy.
啲薯仔咧焗得差唔多咯喎，跟住到蘋果啦。Heinz 帶埋網同埋托盤嚟，放一袋袋蔬菜喺上面燒烤，就唔怕跌落啲炭度啦。
So we put a little bit oil to prevent the tray from burning and sticking. Takes about 10 minutes to cook like this, 10, 12 minutes.
10 minutes is okay?
Yes, in 10 minutes it's not fully cooked, but it's maybe 70%, but we don't eat it yet, right? We still have to cook the meat and the sausage and the fish. So it will take another 10 minutes or so. If it's already fully cooked now, and we have to wait another 10 or 15 minutes, then it's overcooked.
呢個時候咧，把握時間預備埋啲肉啦。記住燒之前咧要戒開嚟疏氣。條魚咧就可以再加黑胡椒調味。燒嘅次序咧應該最先係魚，跟住香腸，最後牛扒。
The fish, once you can see the meat is start to break and you have a nice color all the way around, then probably it's also pretty close to being cooked.
Okay.
And now we have too much oil somewhere, that's why we have the flame. So for the meat we have to have a feeling for time, and also we can check it with pushing down.
燒10分鐘到啦，可以全部上碟啦。
原來唔腥喎。Why doesn't have the fishy smell?
Well, we wash it, we put seasoning, and we grill it, so a lot of the fishy smell is gone.
It's very good. The herb is very fresh. 不過咧 is it too soft?
It's a little bit soft, yes. But
Maybe it's a little bit over.
yeah, so we keep it quite a long time there, so it's
咁記住啦，如果唔想食太腍咧，就要即係留翻多啲時間咧，等佢自己慢慢咧變腍，就唔好擺太耐啦。哇，好香肉桂粉味啊！同埋咧，啲蘋果咧唔係太腍喎，都 OK 喎，仲有啲咬口喎。Yes, not too soft. Okay, yes, cheese for your barbecue menu.
Thank you. Thank you.
連大廚咧都爭啲失手添。
係啊
啲意大利青瓜啦，因為放得耐咗，咁就煮腍咗少少。咁睇嚟啦，BBQ 全餐咧都真係相當之考功夫啦。咁所以咧，大家就記得留意啦。咁啲意大利青瓜咧6、7成熟就記得要攞起佢先。咁等佢哋自己焗到10成熟先攞起嘅話咧，就會太過腍㗎啦。
係啊，咁而啲肉類啦，因為難熟啊，咁要先戒開。咁如果疏唔到氣咧，就會外邊燶晒，裏邊又唔熟㗎咯喎。嗱咁 Heinz 咧仲提醒大家喎，焗呢個蘋果用嘅提子乾咧，最好先用白酒浸過嘢，咁焗起嚟咧就會更加軟身啦，同埋入味啲嘅。